Hey guys, so today I have got a new box that I've not had before, and this is the Cures and Curses Secret Satchel. So it did come in a box, but I just took it out because it's got this like little drawstring bag. Now a few weeks ago when I was asking what videos people wanted to see, a couple of you did say this one, so that's why I got this one. It's an English box and it's £29.95. They do post worldwide, but obviously there's different shipping charges and everything, so you'd have to see what it is to your country, but to the UK it's £29.95. so we'll open that in a second, but it did come with this little envelope, so we're gonna see what is in here. So there is a list of what is in here. I'm not going to read off that, but I will keep it out in case I need it. There's also a little card which is handmade. Everything in this box is apparently handmade, vegan and cruelty free, so that is nice. So I'm assuming that kind of goes with this envelope because this envelope is unused, so you could use that as like a little Christmas card or something, or if you don't celebrate Christmas then you could use it for a birthday card or something like that. And then there is also a Witchcraft pocket guide little booklet, and this has all about kind of some different crystals, spell candles, the runic alphabet, moons, and like different dates, I'm assuming, for next year. So I'll quickly hold this up in case you want to pause it and read it. Not 100% sure if that's going to show up very well because it's so small, but you could always try to zoom in maybe. I'm not going to hover over it for too long because I don't want to bore everybody. But that's the first one. That's the runic alphabet, the moons, and the dates for next year. Like I said, I'm not sure if you can read that or not if it's too small, but that's our little booklet. And then we will get to opening this. So in here there is a box which says "Blessed Yule, so mote it be" on there. And in here we have got 3 different things. Okay, I'm going to quickly look at the little sheet because I don't want to tell you everything wrong. So the first thing we've got is a winter snowflake hand soap. So this is a very pretty white and blue snowflake soap, and this is peppermint, eucalyptus and tea tree. So I can definitely smell the peppermint because it's got plastic on it. It's not super strong, but there's that. Then we have this one which has a dried orange on the top. At first I also thought this was soap, but apparently this is a solid shampoo bar, which is pretty cool. This is orange, cinnamon and clove with the dried orange on the top. Again, can't massively smell it because it's got a lot of plastic over it, but it looks fun. And then the last thing in the little box was this, which says Yule Offerings Jar. So this is like a little glass jar, and it's got in here juniper, cinnamon, bay leaves and cloves. I don't practice or have an altar or anything like that. I'm assuming if you have an altar this is something that you'd put on there, but it does have a little string on the top, so you could hang it on your Christmas tree. Maybe that is also what you're supposed to do because that's pretty cute. So a little kind of tree decoration, I guess. So there is that. Then next in here we have a little burlap sack, and it's full of what I'm assuming are wax melts. Yep, it just says sweet alluring scent. So these are kind of like gold shimmery little wax melts, again handmade. There is a candy cane, a present, a star, a Christmas tree. I'm not going to get them all out because I don't want them to melt all over my fingers, but they're all different shapes. These smell incredible. If that was a perfume I would 100% wear it. It's just like, not really sure what it is, but it's kind of like honey mixed with perfume. It's like a really nice sweet smell. So there is those. Then next in here we have some Arabian Myrrh Pure Aroma Oil. It says uplifting and euphoric, boosts confidence, reduces fears and anxieties, and restores optimism and energy. So that is that. Oh, okay. The little, oh, can't even get it out. The little like inside plastic bit is in the box, which is odd. I've never seen that before. Let's have a see. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's like blocked off at the top, so you'd take that out and put that one in. I've never seen it like that before. I'm not going to do that now because knowing me, I'll get oil everywhere, but there is that anyway. Then next we have just some charcoal discs for loose incense if you burn loose incense. We have, trying not to pull everything out at once, some incense sticks, just a little packet of those. That's what I can smell through this whole bag. These smell really, really strong. They're quite nice though. I'm not really sure what scent they are, but that's what like brand and stuff it says on there. For anyone who's wondering, by the way, I'm trying to grow my nails out, my natural nails, so if you don't see me wearing nails for a while, that is why. Next we have a little incense kind of holder. I have never had one of these before. This is for those charcoal discs. So you'd put your disc in there with the incense on, put the little lid on, and then the smoke would come through here. So that's pretty cute. And then I think, yeah, there's like 2 large boxes left. So this is the first one, and this is, let's move this over. This is an Alchemy England Black Rose scented candle jar, apparently. So this is what this looks like. It's like a glass jar with a clear gem on the top. I'm gonna take it out of here if I can. Let's see. Okay, so obviously that's just the label, you can take that off there, but this jar is very pretty though. Wow, that's the strongest scented candle I think I've ever smelled in my life. Whoa, okay. Rose, not a massive fan of rose. When I think of rose, I think of 2 things, Old Ladies and Turkish Delight. Now I love Turkish Delight, but that's eating it. And this is a little kind of old lady-ish. I'm really sorry if you like rose scented things. The jar is super pretty though. Once the candle's gone, you could definitely keep this jar for something else. It's very kind of like old style gothic looking. So there is that. And then the last thing in our satchel is another big box. Oh, little sneak peek there. This is a Nemesis Now item, which is pretty cool. And this is a Christmas tree decoration, which is a dragon. I'm going to take this sticker off so we can see it properly. So it's like a little silver dragon curled around this pentagram ball thing. This is super heavy. You'd have to have a really strong tree to hold that up. Really nice though. I like that it's kind of a Christmas themed item. I'm not mad on dragons, but it is still pretty cool though. So yeah, that was everything that was in the Cures and Curses secret satchel for December. I'm going to quickly kind of package everything back a little bit now so we can see it all together at once. Okay, these are big items, so I'm not sure I'm going to be able to hold all this, but there was the little greetings card, the Witchcraft pocket guide, the incense sticks, the wax melts, I'll try and hang those on a finger, the essential oil, the charcoal discs, the little metal incense holder, the set of soap, Solid Shampoo and Yule Offerings Jar, the Glass Alchemy England Rose Candle, and the Nemesis Now Dragon Christmas ornament. So let's see if I can Jenga all of these. There we go. All of these things in the December Curses and Cures secret satchel. Like I said, I will put all of the info down below for them in case you want to go and check them out. You'll have to let me know what you thought of this one, if you liked it or not, what your favourite bit was, stuff like that. And yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.